Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Miss M. Today I'm going to be showing you a really cool resource that we will be using in school in the class, or if I assign homework, you'll be using this resource and website at home. This is also great for your mom and dad or your parent guardian and for coaches or other educators. So let's take a look. It's called Kids Health. So when you go onto your internet, on your search bar, you'll type in Kids Health. kidshealth.org, sorry. So you'll click on that, and then you're going to go right into the home page. At the home page, you would see 4 tabs up here. You'll see a search tool up here, and then just some site and information that they have general about the website. Technically the tabs is what it's breaking down, but if you scroll down, let's click About Us. And let's see a little bit more why I like this resource, why Miss M uses this resource, and just a little bit more about Kids Health. So it looks like it comes from Numerous, but it's a nonprofit children's health system created by Neil Eisenberg. He is a physician and founded this kidshealth.org in 1995. What their goal is to help parents, kids, and teens take charge of their health and just get more information and get educated about health. It's great to advocate for health. It's great to be informed about health and all this great stuff and information that you should know for your own good and for health purposes. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the Contact Us tab if you have any questions or concerns that you want to reach out to them for, their policies, guidelines, and partners. Of course, just keep in mind that this website is, again, for only educational purposes. It's not to get any medical advice, treatments, or diagnosis. That's what your doctor is for. So let's go back to the homepage. You can either click back, or you can click on Kids Health right here on their logo, and it'll take you back. Let me actually zoom this in. And so you will see off the bat, again, 4 tabs. Oh, you can't see me. Let me see here. Just in case you can't see me, let me go back. So you'll see the 4 tabs here: parents, kids, teens, educators. Off the bat, what you'll notice is every time you click a tab, you will see big, broad topics about health, depending on the age group. So if you were a mom or dad, or you're a parent or guardian and want to get more information about certain topics of health, you'll click on parents, and you will see all the broad topics. Again, they're really big, broad topics. They're not specific, so make sure that it's just one way to stay organized. So make sure you know what you're looking for. If you're looking to get translation in Spanish, you will see down here it says Cito para Padres. So if you need this in Spanish, you can click on that, and it's going to translate all of these topics and website into Spanish. So let's say you wanted to do first aid and safety, you'll click on that, and what it's going to do, every broad topic is going to be narrowed down. So when you click on the broad topic, like first aid and safety, it's going to narrow down what you're looking for. So you'll have emergencies, outdoors, you have printable stuff that you can print out, safety at home, away from home, water safety. Let's say we just wanted to look maybe at emergencies, and they'll list all the emergencies from A to Z, but we're looking for burns, and we'll click on burns, and you will get the whole article on burns, about burns, what they are, the types of burns, the degrees of burns, and how to treat them. What you can do though is you can listen to the article so you don't have to read. You can share this on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or email it to yourself or someone else. And you can also translate this article or certain words. What is really cool about every article on this website is that they'll have little cheat sheets or little shortcuts to other links, depending on what age group or type of info you're looking for about burns. So let's say you wanted to share with your kid, what different kinds of burns are and what they do, and they'll break it down for the kid version and teen version. So you'll see that on there. Let's go back to the home page and let's look at something for kids. So if I were assigning you homework, or maybe you really liked a cool topic we talked about in class, and you want to bring it back home and share it with your family or a friend, you go to the Kids tab. The Kids tab is mainly going to be for my kindergartners through 5th grade. And let's say we wanted to look at the body and how the body works. You will find that on here. And we have a lot of different topics about the body. I really like this tab. It's great. It's great for visual learners. It's great for listeners and people who are kinesthetic, want to get their hands on stuff. It's really fun. So let's say we're talking about the skin, or I assigned homework on the skin. You want to get more information about the skin. The For Kids tab is going to have a lot of videos about those topics, and you'd be able to watch the video and learn more about this topic, which is really cool because these videos are actually really funny, and it's great for visual learners. It's just fun. It's fun to be educated and be entertained at the same time. But what's really cool is that you can also get more articles about the topic. You can get quizzed. If you want to test yourself, or if I assign you to try out the quiz to see how well you're doing, you can click on the quiz and it'll take you to the quiz. If I assign an activity, or you want to do an activity with a friend or family member, you'll click on activity. And if you want to get more detailed information, or there's certain words you want to look for, you can do the word find. So let's say you wanted to quiz yourself and see how well you did about this topic. And so what it's going to do is going to take you straight to a quiz. You'll answer the questions. What is the body's largest organ? Alright, let's see here. Let's say I think it's the brain. And then we'll click on continue, and then it's going to go to the next question. So it'll go on and on until you finish, and then it's most likely going to give you the answers at the end. I don't know how many questions there are. Oh, there's 10 questions and then complete. And then it's going to tell you what answers you got right and what answers you got wrong. Okay? Alright, so let's go back to see all parts. You can go back to all the parts right here. And again, we'll have all the other topics. You'll have your quizzes, article, movies. If you wanted to look at all the movies, you can click on movies. And you'll see all the movies about all the different body parts. If we go back to how the body works, you can have the activities, and I'll list all the activities about the body parts. Okay, so for teens, if we go back to the homepage, but if we go to teens, this is going to be for my 6th and 12th graders. Again, you'll have big, broad topics that you can search for depending on what you're looking for or what I'm assigning you to. And this, of course, is going to be more age level appropriate. They're not the same topics as the ones under the Kids tab, but they're similar. So they have body parts as well. Let's say we're talking about body care, and we're talking about hygiene. We're going to look at hygiene basics. Again, all these topics narrow down, so it's very specific. And it's going to talk about hygiene basics like hair, body, and body hair. You can look at more on this topic right here. It'll give you other quick links to other specific things that have to do with this topic on hygiene. So you can do that as well. And then the last tab is for educators. So if you're a coach or a teacher, you can click on that and it'll take you about the kidshealth.org website, but in the classroom. So more of a teacher point of view. That's really cool to check out. Alright, so let's go back to the home page. Let's say you just want to search a specific topic, or you already know a word that you want to look for, and you're looking for maybe the brain. So you can click search that word right here in either Spanish or English, but you click search, and then the website is going to pull out all the articles or links that they have on this website about the brain. And it looks like the brain is linked to the nervous system, so they are connected. And you can see that here, each link is going to show you where you can find that if you're looking specifically. So this one was from teens, this one's for parents, for kids. So let's say I wanted to go back on the brain and nervous system, then this one is for under the teens tab, but again, it's going to break it down. It's going to give you diagrams for visual learners and so on. So that's a great tool if you wanted to quickly search something. Alright, so I hope you guys liked this resource. I really like this resource, and again, I do plan on using this at home, at school, and then at home if you need it for homework or wanted to look more information up. And thank you so much, guys, for your time. I will upload this on my website if you need to look back and need help, navigating through the website. So let me know if you have any questions, concerns. You guys take care and have a good day.